Hey there, amazing viewers! Breaking news that you absolutely can't afford to miss. A life-changing $6,795 direct deposit is about to hit the bank accounts of millions of Social Security and SSI recipients in just 48 hours. Are you one of the eligible beneficiaries? Stay tuned because this could be the financial boost you've been waiting for. Before we dive deep into this crucial information, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on important updates like this one. Let's get straight to what matters most to you: the money that could be heading your way. The Social Security Administration has just announced this substantial payment as part of their ongoing commitment to support beneficiaries during these challenging economic times. But here's the catch: you need to verify your details immediately to ensure you don't miss out on this significant deposit. Have you checked your eligibility status yet? The timing of this announcement couldn't be more critical, as many Americans continue to struggle with rising inflation and increasing living costs. This $6,795 payment is designed to provide much-needed relief to those who depend on Social Security and supplemental security income. But you might be wondering, what makes this payment different from your regular benefits? Well, this is where things get interesting. This special direct deposit is part of a targeted initiative to address the growing concerns about financial stability among beneficiaries. The Social Security Administration has recognized the urgent need for additional support, especially considering the recent economic challenges many Americans face. But here's what you really need to know: not everyone will automatically receive this payment, even if they're current beneficiaries. Are you taking the necessary steps to secure your payment? Let's break down who exactly qualifies for this $6,795 direct deposit. If you're currently receiving Social Security retirement benefits, disability benefits, or supplemental security income, you're potentially eligible. However, there are specific criteria that need to be met. Have you been regularly receiving your benefits for the past 12 months? This is one of the key factors that will determine your eligibility. The verification process is crucial, and time is of the essence. With only 48 hours remaining until the release of these funds, you need to act fast. The Social Security Administration has streamlined the verification process to make it as simple as possible for beneficiaries. But why is verification so important? It ensures that your current information is accurate and up to date, preventing any delays or complications with your direct deposit. One of the most common questions we're receiving is about the verification process itself. How exactly do you verify your details? The process is straightforward but must be completed correctly to avoid any issues. First, you'll need to log into your My Social Security account online. Don't have an account yet? This is the perfect time to create one, and I'll guide you through that process shortly. Security is paramount when dealing with such significant financial matters. The Social Security Administration has implemented robust security measures to protect your information and ensure that these direct deposits reach the intended recipients. Have you updated your security settings recently? This is another crucial step in the verification process that shouldn't be overlooked. For those wondering about the timing of this payment, let me explain why the 48-hour window is so critical. The Social Security Administration has set this deadline to ensure all systems are properly updated and verified before initiating the mass direct deposit. But what happens if you miss this window? While there may be options available later, it's essential to act now to avoid any delays or complications with receiving your funds. The impact of this $6,795 payment could be substantial for many recipients. Think about what this additional money could mean for you and your family. Could it help with outstanding bills, medical expenses, home repairs, or perhaps provide a much-needed buffer in your savings account? The possibilities are numerous, but first, you need to ensure you're properly verified to receive it. Let's address another common concern: what if you're receiving both Social Security and SSI benefits? This is an important question, as it could affect the total amount you're eligible to receive. The good news is that being a dual recipient doesn't disqualify you from this payment, but there are specific guidelines you need to be aware of. Have you checked your status as a dual recipient? The verification process also includes confirming your preferred method of payment. While this is a direct deposit initiative, It's crucial to ensure your banking information is current and accurate. When was the last time you updated your banking details with the Social Security Administration? This is something you'll want to double-check during the verification process. For those who might be helping elderly family members or friends with this process, there are special considerations to keep in mind. If you have power of attorney or serve as a representative payee, you'll need to follow specific procedures to verify their information. Are you familiar with these additional requirements? Understanding them is crucial for ensuring your loved ones receive their payments without any issues. The timing of this payment release coincides with several other important Social Security updates and changes. Are you aware of how these changes might affect your benefits going forward? This is another reason why staying connected with reliable information sources is so important. Have you considered how this payment fits into your overall benefits picture? Technology plays a crucial role in this verification process, but what if you're not comfortable with online systems? The Social Security Administration has considered this and provided alternative verification methods. However, the online process remains the fastest and most efficient way to ensure you're ready for the upcoming direct deposit. What's holding you back from completing this vital step? The $6,795 amount was carefully calculated based on various economic factors and benefit considerations. But do you understand how this amount was determined? Understanding the calculation behind this payment can help you better plan for its use and ensure you're receiving the correct amount. Have you reviewed the payment calculation details provided by the Social Security Administration? One aspect that shouldn't be overlooked is the tax implications of this payment. While Social Security benefits are generally taxable, special provisions may apply to this direct deposit. Have you consulted with a tax professional about how this payment might affect your tax situation? This is particularly important for those who carefully manage their annual income to maintain certain benefit levels. The verification process also serves as an excellent opportunity to review your overall benefit status. When was the last time you conducted a thorough review of your Social Security benefits? This could be the perfect time to ensure everything is in order and up to date, beyond just preparing for this specific payment. For those who might be new to Social Security benefits or have recently become eligible, this payment could be your first experience with a special direct deposit. Are you familiar with how these payments typically work? Understanding the process now will help you better manage your benefits in the future and ensure you never miss out on important payments like this one. The Social Security Administration has also implemented special provisions for recipients who might be living abroad. If you're currently residing outside the United States, there are additional verification steps you'll need to complete. Have you checked the specific requirements for international beneficiaries? This is crucial information for those who might be traveling or living overseas. It's worth noting that this payment is separate from any cost of living adjustments, COLA, you might receive. Understanding the difference between regular benefit adjustments and special payments like this one is important for managing your financial planning. How will you incorporate this payment into your overall financial strategy? The verification process also includes confirming your contact information. This is crucial not just for this payment but for all future communications from the Social Security Administration. When was the last time you updated your phone number, email address, or mailing address? These details might seem minor, but they can make a significant difference in ensuring you receive important information about your benefits. For those who might be concerned about scams or fraudulent activities related to this payment, it's important to understand the official verification channels. The Social Security Administration will never ask for certain sensitive information through unsecured means. Do you know how to identify legitimate communications from the Social Security Administration? This knowledge is essential for protecting yourself from potential fraud. The impact of this payment extends beyond individual recipients to affect local economies as well. Have you considered how this influx of funds might benefit your community? Understanding the broader economic implications can help you appreciate the significance of this initiative and its timing. As we approach the 48-hour deadline, it's crucial to address any remaining questions or concerns you might have about the verification process. The Social Security Administration has resources available to help, but you need to know where to find them. Have you explored all the available support options? Don't let uncertainty prevent you from securing your payment. This payment also presents an opportunity to review your financial planning strategies. How will you make the most of these additional funds? Whether you're planning to save, invest, or address immediate needs, having a clear plan in place before receiving the payment is always wise. Looking ahead, this payment could set a precedent for future support initiatives from the Social Security Administration. Staying informed about such developments is crucial for maximizing your benefits. Have you considered how you'll stay updated on future announcements and opportunities? The verification process also serves as a reminder of the importance of maintaining accurate records and staying engaged with your benefits management. How often do you review your Social Security statements and benefit information? Making this a regular practice can help prevent issues and ensure you never miss important updates or payments. In closing, remember that this $6,795 direct deposit represents a significant opportunity for Social Security and SSI recipients, but only if you take the necessary steps to verify your information within the next 48 hours. Don't let this chance slip away. Take action now to secure your payment. Thank you for staying with me through this detailed explanation. If you found this information valuable, please remember to like this video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more important updates on Social Security benefits and financial opportunities. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's help each other navigate these important matters. Stay safe, stay informed, and don't forget to verify your details before time runs out.